to the time difference. It's not that much, but it's a lot. I went to sleep yesterday at about 4:30. Yeah, 4:30 a.m. Going with my mom to find somebody to do her makeup for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the wedding. I also would like to go to the rainforest. And I'm just sitting in my favorite spot here at the condo we're staying at, which is, you probably can hear the wind. The balcony, which is across the street from the beach, which is a nice, beautiful view and very calming. I must live by the water one day. Check it out.
Another beautiful day here in Old San Juan. We've got people, you know what I mean? Got my boy right there. What up, bro? He doing this trash thing. Basura. Listen, I said, when I come to Puerto Rico, all I want to do is, I'm trying to see some buns, you know what I mean? I'm trying to see some buns. Can you show me where the bun section is? Oh! Oh, yes. Buns. You see those buns down there? Mm-hmm. There's buns everywhere up in here, boy. Well, I'll holler at y'all. It's too much sexy for one morning. It's easy breezy. It's breezy, but we still sweat.
It feels good today.
They got Starbucks.
Yesterday.
All type of stuff. It was really hot. Oh, I'm just playing. She ain't got no case on it.
Live.
All right. Chat with you.
It's like an hour away. I don't drive outside of San Juan, so I don't know. Okay, alright. I think the 30 is gonna be fine. If you wanna put your phone number, just
yeah, because I'm right there.
Hola Rafael, happy birthday.
Thank you. Mira, puedo llamar a Ángel Garrido. Manuel Garrido.
During summer, during 13 days, the people protested and the governor had to quit because he had a chat on WhatsApp with a group of his leaders and they were talking bad about people and like talking bad stuff about gay people and bad stuff about fat people and bad stuff about women. And
oh, that's why.
The governor.
Oh.
So he had to quit.
So now you got a lady in there. Is she any better? Or?
She's very calm. Like she's trying not to stir the pot.
Okay.
She's like, I'm just gonna handle like issues as they come to me. She's not trying to be like.
Yeah.
But she went to protest.
Did you? You were there last night? We probably.
Not last night.
The 13 days. Wow.
They closed the highways and people were protesting on the highways.
Really? It was that large?
It was huge. How many people? You know? I mean, Bad Bunny was there, Ricky Martin, like Puerto Rican, like
wow.
It was fun.
Wow. So we were right in the middle of one last night.
Yeah. So you saw this one they have like graffiti or like white patches.
Yeah, I did see that.
Because they graffiti.
I was wondering what that was.
And they were saying that was during the summer. It was very important for us.
Yeah.
Like in terms of the history of Puerto Rico, but they said that they were gonna do it again in Christmas. And Christmas is gonna be like the Navidad combativa, like combat Christmas.
Okay.
But with protest because they want to raise the minimum wage.
Oh, and what is the minimum wage?
$7.25.
Okay, that's what it is where we're from too.
The federal minimum.
Yeah.
Because that each state doesn't have to, but Puerto Rico always has the federal minimum.
I know they're doing that in certain parts in the U.S., like California. They're raising it to 15.
Right, in New York.
Yeah, in New York too. Yeah, they get paid
From New York.
But it costs a lot to live there too. So
It's very expensive.
is it?
we have 11.5 tax on everything. Wow. On everything, like even on bank transactions. Like if the bank charges you $10 a month, you get to pay 11.5 tax on the bank service. Accountants, lawyers, milk, tampons,
And
diapers, everything. Vegetables, rice, water.
And what's your name, sir?
Jamil.
Yes, yes. Every day in December.
Good morning.
And here we
I love your sun hat this morning.
Thank you.
Looking so beautiful. Sandra said that it looks like this was your daughter. That's how young she was looking. All right, let's go. We're gonna go and get something to
You
eat.
look like you finna go work out at the beach or something. Oh man, I think
So Monica made a post for my mom and my dad on Facebook. I've seen it, but she hasn't read it yet. I told her don't read it, but we'll see. You can read it.
Okay, you want daddy's now?
No, you can read yours. Read yours. See, Daddy's gonna read his.
I said I can't even take it to someplace. No, good.
That ain't yours. That's Daddy's.
Oh. I'll read it later. I don't want
Right, because you would.
I'm not going because I don't want to cry.
Yeah, she's gonna read it later. I knew that she was going to, so she can read it later.
Like some chicken.
You, babe?
That's me? No, I think it's oh my God.
Whoa! Look at all that rice!
We could have all ate off of your plate.
Y'all all need to eat off of my plate. I can't eat all of this.
No, I ain't eating all of this.
Look at your appetizer.
This is an appetite.
That's enough rice to feed the family.
This is off the chain right here. This is ridiculous.
Wow, that's a lot of rice.
Give us our money back. Very good, very good.
I'm filming because they're getting married tomorrow. They're renewing their vows. It's been 38 years.
Wow.
Tomorrow.
You have to spill the beans.
Yeah. 38 years. So that's why I'm like filming, so don't get freaked out.
Nice. Thank you for coming.
This is, what's your name?
Crystal.
Crystal from Ropa.
Yes.
You got it like
Where?
that.
From where?
Ropa Vieja.
Oh, okay. I was like from Brooklyn. I was like, are you?
You from Brooklyn?
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Oh, that's why you have a little
Go ahead. BX over here.
I lived in the Bronx and I lived in Queens, so.
Okay.
Yes.
The Bronx and then North.
Yes,
Yeah. So,
absolutely.
All right.
Alright.
So enjoy. Thank you. A lot of good vibes and blessings.
Word up.
What makes my skin comparable to sin? Sun-kissed wind, it left it, stand up, blemish, let's no longer pretend. Once the feeling takes over, ain't no stopping. I'm gifted in black, they call it aggression. But I see who you are, a beautiful blessing, beautiful blessing. We're out here in the jungle, yeah, getting treated like it gold. Alright, yeah, you scared of that black life, so you should have that heart. You think that greatness, you wanna kill that joy. Be afraid to be just who you are. Cause we live this
Looking all good. Oh,
in the rain. We grew through the pain while they're in our lane. Go ahead, let them all hate because we know our fate. Yeah, we shine even with the clouds in the way. Do you know exactly who you are? Who you are? You are a superstar. finally be.
We are trying to see what is at the top of this waterfall. I want to know if I can slide down it because I will. Mom stayed in the car because she was scared.
I know someday we could finally be.
He's not with me, y'all.
I know someday.
The turns and stuff of the road definitely is nausea-inducing.
I know someday we
I had to stop for something to eat. I only had a salad. All that hiking. Yeah, all that hiking has built up my appetite.
Yeah, it's your restaurant.
It's nasty, man.
Yeah, I like it for me.
Huh? The tamarind juice.
For you?
He's still deciding.
Tamarindo, limón, and limón.
Sí.
Y limonada, tamarindo, muy uno. Papa frita.
Grande papas fritas.
Try cheese.
I know someday we could finally be.
So what's up? What's up with you? What's up with you? You good? You good? You good? Are you good? Are you good? You how you feel? How you feel? Good? Oh. Say Eric. Eric? My name is Eric. Rob? Your name is Rob? Oh yeah. Oh Bob. Whoa, buddy. You getting a little violent now. You getting a little violent, Bob. You better watch that back end. Bob. You better watch that back end. Bob. No sorry. Ain't no need to get violent. Bob. I know you're Bob. No need to get violent with it. No, you heard me. Don't get violent. Be
You can smell the aroma of gingerbread. It smells so tasty. I just want to take a little bit of it. It's a real life gingerbread house.
I know someday we could finally be.
Well, you heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. He said that he doesn't need to write anything down.
I don't need
for
to
tomorrow.
write anything down for tomorrow. I'm used to speaking, and it won't be too hard for me. But I will confess that I might be nervous. I just might be nervous. We'll see. You have to stay tuned
Right.
until tomorrow
Right.
to find out.
I will let you know.
Yeah, we'll both like to. You'll find that out.
Can you tell us a little bit about your restaurant venture you have going on?
Well, Ruby J's spawned out of the title. The title came from my wife's mother, which has gone on to be with the Lord. So we wanted to honor her and call it Ruby J's. Her name is Ruby Jameson. We wanted to call it Ruby J's. So we're on the ground floor right now trying to build it up. It's moving rapidly. According to Uncle Ronnie, which is my mentor and consultant, we should be open by March. So we're looking forward to serving the public at large. So come, we have a lot of food to offer you. and I believe that you will enjoy yourselves. So be looking forward to coming to Ruby J's.
So what is the temperature during the summertime?
90s.
So not that much hotter than now.
Few degrees, you will feel the heat.
The humidity, yeah.
Because right now it's like 80, 86, 87. But in summer, right now the temperature could be in 95, and you will feel it.
You feel it.
Oh, just like
the
Florida.
heat index is a lot higher.
In Vegas, it could be 103 and you be comfortable.
With the humidity, the summer this year was in a 100, 101, 100.
Oh no.
That's what the humidity was?
Yes. With the humidity.
Oh my goodness.
I couldn't come out in that.
This
Like
place,
Milwaukee
one of
Bucks?
the coldest places.
Wow.
Wisconsin.
Yes, I know what Milwaukee.
Yeah. I just, a lot of people.
Yes,
haven't
that's
heard
in the north.
Yeah.
What
Milwaukee
is it?
Bucks, White basketball.
Yes.
Hey, Tanning White, this for you right there.
For 38 long years. And decided to come here to renew.
Come on in here. Come on in here. Get in here. Big old TV you got.
Open up the window.
Oh, here, let me open the window for you.
She always sleeps with linen.
Yes.
On linen.
Gotta have some.
That's mine.
Got to have it.
Oh, that's how hot it is. The condensation. Yeah. Those birds are
I
loud.
told you they're loud.
They ain't never gonna stop neither.
Nope.
Not them.
All day and all night.
Ooh, it's steamy.
Praising God all day and all night.
It's
Those
steamy.
birds praise God all day and all night, giving God the glory. The things He has done. Amen. All right.
Hey, look, you got a big decision.
I know I do.
You sure about it?
I don't know. What you think?
She alright. She alright. I don't got no
I
complaints about it.
might have to change my mind.
Can she cook?
She can cook good. She can burn.
You sure about
Oh,
it?
she can burn.
Yeah.
She can burn.
Alright. Well, she look
She
like
good. She good people.
She look like she probably makes some real cute
what though?
kids.
She cute too.
Yeah.
She can make some beautiful kids.
Yeah, real pretty mixed with a little bit of ugly mixed
Oh
with real.
yeah. I hear you.
Alright. See you tomorrow.
I'm nervous.
Honored to be here with them.